Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very short announcement. I'm very excited to share with you the latest news by MacPaw development, or the people who are responsible of developing the best Mac cleaning application in the world. I use it every day and it's called CleanMyMac. I'm sure you've heard of it, and many of you already use this application. From 28th of April 2020, which is today, MacPaw has put the CleanMyMac application on Mac AppStore after 12 years of being available only on their website. So finally you can download it on Mac AppStore. You just go to search, and as you can see, it's already written here. So this is the CleanMyMac application. You can download it for free. However, once you download it, you will have an in-app purchase for this application, which you can see here. So the annual license for this application is $35, and I truly believe that it's worth it. I'm using it every day. It helps me get clean, to get my Mac clean, to get rid of unnecessary apps, to get rid of many unnecessary junk and files from mail, from photos, from the whole system, and it really keeps my Mac neat and tidy. So I highly recommend you guys go ahead and download CleanMyMac X for your Mac. If you haven't already, it's available from today on the Mac App Store. Congratulations to MacPaw and all the best in the future.